Start with forming downward facing dog pose on your yoga mat. Inhale to prepare and then exhale as you place your right foot forwards between your hands. Then make your right foot slightly wider than your shoulders, going onto the outside. You can heel toe your foot towards the edge of the yoga mat. Let your hips settle forwards and down. Keep them level. Imagine a straight line across the left hip, across the pelvis to the right hip, and mirror this with the shoulders. Now slowly walk your hands forwards until you come down onto your forearms and place the forearms on the ground as you exhale. Opening up the chest, lengthen your spine and draw your shoulder blades together. Keep your neck nice and long. To get into the inner hip and thigh area, keep your right knee hugging towards the midline. Hold the position for a few seconds, and as you breathe deeply, then release the pose, coming back to downward dog. And repeat on the other side.